We want to see every bird of the world, which means we have to see the species we don't know right here in Costa Rica. That's what we want to do. Snake. All right. So this could be a little problem. There is a tree in the way. Wow, this will be fun. All right, I've got the machete with me. So I guess we will clean this shit up. So let's go. Okay, so this changes my time plan a little bit. Maybe I won't be able to be at the location at sunrise, because I guess this will take like 10-20 minutes. But yeah, we will see. Mira, hasta luego. No. Buen día. All right. Whew. Where is the light? Right here. This is adventure in Costa Rica. I'll just talk. This is adventure in Costa Rica. You have to be prepared for everything. Oh, my backpack is in front. Now I'll just take out my water bottle, drink a little bit, and we're gonna go to the location. I guess we won't make it before sunrise because the GoPro doesn't see it, but it's already red on the horizon. But it is what it is, and golden hours, not just sunrise. So I'll have my coffee and stuff on my way there, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the location. All right, here we are at the location. This is the location. If you follow me on Instagram, you could know it. It looks a little different now that it is dry season, but I was here already, and I've uploaded a green Kingfisher, which I photographed exactly over there, like right there. In the dry season, this is like a little island. Yeah, like a little island. And right now you can see that they were here with all the excavators to get all the gravel, all the material out of the river, so it gets a good shape again for rainy season. I don't know what I will do. I don't want to walk this. It looks like desert. Don't like this view, but maybe this one. Maybe we will just try to walk down this river right there. Costa Rica's alive. Can hear all the birds already. Oh, and we had a beautiful sunrise. I guess I will set everything up, and then we're gonna walk this way first of all and try our luck over there, and let's see how much fun this is. Okay, so we definitely have some herons, which I got just a second ago. The car is still back there, so I didn't move that much, which is a pretty cool sign. still the herons, which is a little annoying right now actually, because I already got some nice footage, I think, and I don't want to scare them. White ibis. Okay, so there are some red-eared Amazons sitting right over there, right there, and this right here is a perfect example of composition and adjusting your angle, because first I always had like lit background, very bright, very burned out, and I was standing like right here, right there, just 2 meters to the left, and you have a nice clean green background. Alright, definitely a successful morning. For those of you who don't watch the short videos I upload, or I've uploaded, probably the Crested Caracara is new, the common Tody-Flycatcher is new. I think those were, for example, birds we haven't seen in a long form video yet, I think. And yeah, but we've got a truckload of birds, like so many. There, white ibis in the river again. I found a little egret, and you can definitely already find it on my Instagram as a static picture, and it will be uploaded as a short as well. So maybe you already saw it, but if not, definitely check the Instagram channel out. You can always find the static pictures of all species over there. All right, so I've got some orange-chinned parakeets which are sitting right there on this post, and then there is a toucan sitting right up there in this tree. Yellow-throated toucan. So yeah, 2 more birds for today, but I mean the orange-chinned parakeets, they are new, but I don't like the picture really much. Like, I was have a look at it in Lightroom, but first of all, I don't like it because it's sky as a background and they are sitting on this metal beam of the bridge, and they are not that rare. So I will probably definitely get a better shot in the next days, weeks or months. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, like and subscribe.